Today in front of me Realme C25s, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go into the notification panel and then just tap here once on this edit icon. Here, as you can see, we got all our visible icons on our notification panel, and this down section was the icons that we can add to our notification panel. For example, just to add one from these icons, you should hold it for a while and drag it here to this up section. And as can you see, that's really simple. Also, we can add here the screen recording icon and, for example, the Google Assistant icon. And now just when we'll go back, you can see that we just successfully here add some icons to our notification panel. And if you want to remove some icons, by the same way, for example, this one, hold it and drag it here down to this down section. By the same way, we can remove this icon, or for example this one. And now just when we'll go back, as can you see, we also remove the icons from our notification panel. And also, if you want to just change here the sections or the positions of these icons, just hold for a while and drag it here. For example, the third one will be the Bluetooth icon, and the next one the location one. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.